Case Backhoe loader is equipped with the latest generation drive line, including an oscillating heavy-duty front axle that provides outstanding reliability also in demanding applications. The rear axle is fitted with 100% differential lock, engageable by an ergonomic switch on the loader joystick providing maximum traction on muddy terrains. The self-adjusting multi-disc brakes can be operated separately, slipping off the latch for a reduced steering radius. Feel the experience of Case Backhoe.